Chris Venables fewn at Will Evans. McAllister ni dwyni. Cyfle Drenewydd glirio, dyma Neil Mitchell. Mitchell yn codi ben, ac yn rhyddhau Nick Ruston. Cyfle fan hyn i Ruston, yn erbyn I frawd John Ruston. A Nick Ruston ar ergyd. Ond John sy'n cael y gorau ohoni tro yma. A fydd hwnna wedi bod dipyn o stori. Dave Jones, syth lawr ganol y cae. Nathan Peat yn ôl. A McAllister dros ben yr amddiffyn. Dyma James Davies drwodd. Nathan Peat ar ei ôl o. James Davies ar ergyd, ond John Ruston yn arbed unwaith eto. Ruston yn y gôl yn lle Alex Ramsey pnawn yma. A mae wedi bod yn brysur yn yr hanner cynta. Cynnig da gan James Davies. Jake Phillips yn hyrddi'r bêl I fewn i'r cwrt. Peniad allan, a Nick Ruston dros I ysgwydd, oedd honna'm yn bell. A'i frawd John yn gwylio hon yn hedfan heibio'r postyn. Henry Jones at y postyn pella. Nathan Peat yn codi'r arbediad gan Jones. Ond Nathan Peat ar yr ail gynnig yn rhwydo i'r Bala. Eiliadau'n weddill tan yr egwyl. Trydydd gôl o'r tymor I Nathan Peat. Y Bala ar y blaen. Spittle yn clirio. Flick gan Raul Correa, dyma Henry Jones. Jack Kelly yn I fugeilio fo. Allan am dafliad. O, mae'n mynd yn fler fan hyn rhwng Henry Jones a Jack Kelly. Mae yna freichiau wedi'w codi. Mae Henry Jones di gwylltio. Fe fydd penderfyniad y dyfarnwr. Cerdyn melyn I Kelly a melyn I Jones hefyd. Henry Jones yn lwcus o bosib. Mi gododd o'i fraich fan hyn tuag at wyneb Kelly. Chris Venables yn gwarchod y bêl yn dda. 5 o grysau coch o amgylch, ond Venables yn cadw'r bêl ac yn rhyddhau Raul Correa sy'n cael ei annog lawr yr asgell gan Colin Caton. Correa I fewn i'r cwrt. Venables yn cyrraedd! Arbediad da gan Dave Jones. Henry Jones yn crymanu'r bêl I fewn i'r cwrt. Mae'n syrthio I Spittle! Och, diolch yn sgorio llawer. Ond fydda neb di stopio honna, petai hi ar y targed. Mitchell yn troi, chwilio am James Davies. Spittle di dwy'n hi. Spittle yn chwilio am Henry Jones. Y bêl yn syrthio at Ryan Price yr eilydd. Price. Ond creu chydig o le I groesi'n codi'r bêl at y postyn pella. A Chris Venables yn codi ac yn dyblu mantais y Bala. 5 munud yn weddill ar bar Claetham a Venables yn mynd at Price I ddiolch i'r chwaraewr newydd. Di ymuno o Gaerdydd wsos yma, cyn chwaraewr y Seintiau wrth gwrs. Mi greodd o'r lle yn hyfryd ac oedd yn gwybod iawn bod Venables yn disgwyl ar y postyn pella. Hughes yn gadarn nghanol cae, ond y bêl gan Henry Jones. Hughes, tackle hwyr o'r tu ôl gan George Hughes, a mae'n gwybod iawn bod y cerdyn melyn dod allan fan hyn. Hughes I mewn amdani. A Hughes yn codi'r studs, ac unwaith eto'n llorio Henry Jones. Munud es gweld y cerdyn melyn, mae'n mynd I weld I ail. Dau dacl ffyrnig ar Henry Jones gan George Hughes sy'n mynd am gawod cynnar.
Two 0, 3 points. Are you happy with that?
No, I don't think we got going today. The goalie's made 2 good saves in the first half. He was called upon late on this morning because some things that went on which we're not happy about. So Alex Ramsey wasn't available for the game, but he's made a couple of good saves. John made 2 good saves in the first half and 1 low down on his near post in the second half. So he's done really well. He hasn't played since February, but fair play to him. He kept us in the game. But we huffed and puffed and then defended really well second half. Didn't give them any chances in the second half, and then the last 10 minutes we should have sealed the game really. That's when it opened up a little bit, and then they tired, and then we've got to go and kill the game.
The game went exactly as we knew it was going to go. We have possession, our shape caused them real problems, but we are disappointed to have lost the game because, you know, in terms of chances, I don't think they've had a great deal of chances, you know. But the amount of times we played Bala where we've had good control of the game and ended up losing because we haven't taken our chances, and you know that probably give them some impetus in the second half to build on that. And yeah, we're just really disappointed, but because we've done well today, but we've ended up with no points, and that's been the story of our season so far, where we've done well, we've been in games, been on top, and when you're on top, you've got to take your chances, you've got to score goals, and you know you give them a little glimmer and they score, and then it makes you an uphill task again. I thought second half first half we were very good, very good with them without the ball. Second half we built on that, got a head of steam up, didn't quite penetrate as much as we did in the first half, but we're just really disappointed because we, you know, again, I feel it was a missed opportunity today.
You know, the amount of games that we've had to play, and you know, more midweeks to come, it's difficult. You know, we're worried now about how many injuries that we've got and how many lads who are playing with knocks. It's dangerous now, but it's the way it is. The schedule's been given to us, and we've got to get on with it. And you know, it's not so much a good performance, but it's a great result and a professional performance to come and get a result when you don't play well.